So first thing you have to do is to go to Play Store and download this app called Battle Seed. So after you have done downloading it, the next thing you have to do is to open it up, and it's going to show you like this. So this is it, and as you can see, I have nothing here. This is their token, and their token is now, it's currently working. Let's go over to market. You see that their token is working 0.0 USD, 0.02 USDT. And now let me show you guys how to get $400 worth of it. But first of all, you need to sign up just like you sign up on your LT wallet, your LT wallet, your hold coin and everything. This is just a copy of that particular kind of project. So the first thing you have to do is to first of all click on this place that says invite here, and then enter this is my code, enter this my code. I'm gonna keep it in the description of this video. Everything you need is gonna be in the description of this video. Enter this my code like this, click on this place, and now let me enter the invite code of my referral, of my upliner. So this is it, this is my invite code. So, and this is the invite code of my upliner, and you have to copy it just like the invite code is, or else it's not work, just like this my own now. So all I have to do now is to click on bind, and you can see now the thing is now buying successfully. And if you go over to my account now, it will load up a bit, and now you see that I'm now currently having $400 worth of this net token, and this is the 20 pieces of it. Now how do you get more of it? Is by inviting your people. Click on this place that says invite, and then copy your wallet address, your referral link, and go over to any of your friend, be it Facebook, Telegram, and any other place. Invite any of them, and you're gonna get this 20. Each invite is gonna give you 20 pieces of it. So what is this Battle Steel project all about? It's all about AI trading, just like this thing is AI trading, and this particular one requires is either you deposit a minimum recharge minimum of 100 TRS, or you recharge minimum of 10 TRS, and it will be giving you 15% of your recharge every month on the AI trading. You can deactivate your trade and withdraw everything, and you can still leave it to be giving you anytime. So if you click on TRS here, if you click on withdraw, let's know if there is any fee. Minimum withdrawal is 10. Let's assume we want to withdraw 10. Okay, this is it. So as for now, I'm not gonna ask you guys to deposit anything. Let's try our best to accumulate their token and wait for whatever they says about the listing. So for more information, you can check out their YouTube page, their Twitter handle, their Facebook page, and also their Telegram page. Let's go over to the Telegram page to know what they have for us in the Telegram handle. So look, just like I said, they say that if you had to participate in the AI trading qualification starts with 10 USDT or 100 TRS. The two can be done at the same time, and the procedure is gonna live every 24 hours. And after 15, and it will be giving you 15% of your income every single month. Lockup period, no lockup period, no time. Cash withdrawal is available anytime. That means you can withdraw your gain and your capital anytime, any day. And also, just like I told you guys, any single invite is gonna give you 20 pieces of this BS token, and according to them, they say that the BS coin trading will be launched soon, and you will be able to withdraw your BS coin to buy and sell it freely. Please be patient. The market value of BS coin will gradually appreciate and become your considerable wealth. Join Zama AI wallet and you have the opportunity to become a millionaire. Please invite more. Blah 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 shit. So what they are talking about is that you will try. Let's not focus on the AI trading. Let's try our best to accumulate the token. You can get free referrals from Facedao, which I normally recommend you guys. You can check the description of this video on how to get referrals from Facedao. So you can also make sure you back up your wallets. How do you back up your wallet? Go back to the account. Let's go back to the app. Okay, this is the app here. Sorry, let's go back to the app. This is the app here. Make sure that you bind your wallet very well. How to see this? Loading a bit. So how do you bind your wallet? Click on your profile over here, and then click on backup your private key. Make sure that you remember your password. Enter your password, and then it will give you your wallet, your backup phrases, then backup key. Then go ahead and hide it where no one can see. So because if anybody have your backup key, that means that person have access to your account, and then once you're done with it, copy it and go and hide it where you will not lose it and someone will not also see it. So that is it as for now. And trade, if you want to start up the trading, you can go ahead and click on this place, select the one that you want. If you want to use TRS, you can use TRS. It will be giving you 0.5% every day and 15% every month. So the same thing goes for USDT. It will be giving you 15% of every month. Minimum deposit for it is 10 USDT, but I'm not recommending it to anybody as for now. Don't do the AI trading. Try your best to accumulate their token, and let's see what they have for us. You can also check out their main website by clicking on this first place here. Check out their main website, and also check out their social media handles for more details. So before ending the videos and this video, I want to show you guys that I've already accumulated 206 USDT on AI mining. AI mining is the best USDT update that have come so far for me. As you can see, I've made up to 206.6 USDT from AI mining and stake counting. Already try your best to enter AI mining. Don't miss out on AI mining. If you want to miss out on any update that I've shared so far, don't miss AI mining. AI mining, as for now, I'm currently eligible to be earning 158 USDT every month. I'm gonna drop a video about it later on AI mining, so don't miss it out. Make sure you follow the link in the description, join AI mining and start making USDT automatically on AI mining. So I think this is the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys got value from it. Okay, before ending it, let me show you guys my payment proofs on AI mining. If we go over to my record of deposit and withdrawal, you see over here my record of withdrawal. I've been withdrawing USDT from AI mining for a very long time now. This is 12 USDT, this is 11 USDT approved. The withdrawal is always instant. Sometimes it takes up to its maximum time it will take is 24 hours. It will take up to some hours, depending on, especially if you are withdrawing with Binance or any exchange. So this is my withdrawal records from AI mining. So I think I don't really know why anybody is gonna miss out on AI mining. And as you can see, I'm now using this particular level 3 miner, which will cost me $17 and $33. But you can start up with level 1 miner, and bear in mind that I'm also running a giveaway of this level 1 miner. If you want to activate your account, even if you are not a new user and you want to activate your account, chat me up on WhatsApp and I will give you this miner for free as far as you are my referral. So all you need to do if you want to start it up is to have minimum of 20 USDT on your wallet, on your account, and come over to me. I will give you this miner for free, and then you need to spend your $1 to start activate the miner. So I think this is the end of this video. I just want to show you guys this last part of the video. Hope you guys got value from it, and if you got value from this video, please don't forget to drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel if you're a new user, and see you guys on my next video. Bye.